Hello student, we are going to solve a question from JEE Main 2018. Question is, we need to find value of the integral from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 x divided by 1 plus x sin x, 1 plus sin x dx. Let us see how to solve this question. We have given I, let's I equal to integration pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. And we know that property from a to b integration f of x dx can be also written as integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Apply this property, and here a is pi by 4 and b is 3 pi by 4, so a plus b will be equal to pi. Now, so I will be x, so a plus b minus x will be pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin pi minus x dx. Now sin pi minus x is equal to sin x. Now at both the integration I, we get 2i, which is equal to integration pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 pi divided by 1 plus sin x dx. So integration become pi by 2 1 divided by 1 plus sin x dx, here pi by 4 and here 3 pi by 4. Now multiply and divide by conjugate of 1 plus sin x, which is 1 minus sin x, and we get I, which is equal to pi by 2 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x will be 1 minus cos square x, which is 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. 1 minus sin square x will become cos square x dx. So this integration become pi by 2 from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, here it is pi by 2. 1 by cos square x is sec square x minus sin x by cos square x is sec x into tan x dx. This is simple integration. Integration of sec square x is tan x, and whereas sec x tan x is sec x. So after doing simplification and put the value, this value, we get our final answer as pi root 2 minus 1. So this is our final answer, pi into root 2 minus 1. Let's go back and check which option is correct. We get our answer B, which is correct one. You can also watch this short video on the concept we used to solve our problem, and similar concept can also be found in class 11th mathematics book part 2 on page number 335 and line number 15, and Aryanth integral calculus mathematics book on page number 84 and line number 6. Thank you.